can see mozzarella is really soft and glue. Tomorrow this mozzarella can be a little bit hard, and day by day is more hard. So after 4-5 days, mozzarella is hard like pecorino, so you can broken in top the pizza, for example. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you want to test more food, come in One Branch Vegan Yes in London.